October 22. It's 10:43 p.m. I'm still making these. Wow! An assignment for philosophy, so my dad is sleeping. Nag-review kami sa exam. It's actually our second period na, second exam na. Good evening guys. I'm actually having like my face. So I'm using a face glow mask or whatever. I actually pulled a bunch of them, well not a bunch of them, just this part right here while I'm doing my reviewer for tomorrow's exam, which can be our final last exam. Before I end this clip right here, I'm gonna delete off. Oh la la. Completely. Oh my god, that's so smooth. On Saturday, I'm going to Taytay, which my first time vlogging with this phone right here. I'm gonna peel some of these. That's so relaxing. It's like an ASMR thing. Do you hear that? Like my face looks like a mess right now. Oh yeah. This part is not yet like peeled off. I don't think so. Aray ko. By the way, these subjects that I'm taking of an exam tomorrow is actually really hard, to be honest. Well, kahapon ang pinaka mahirap talaga, like seriously, Gen Math. Oh my god, I don't. Okay, I gotta go now. Bye. Hi Julian. Hi. Hi guys, so the exam is done. Very proud of it. It's finally over. By the way, I shave. Kapagupit pa ako mamaya. Ayan. Hello guys, so ayun, maghahanda na ako ng mga gamit ko for tomorrow and gumagana na siya guys. Pinapagana ko to for like literally isang taon, pero more likely mga, ay hindi, isang taon din. Isang taon at hindi ko alam po ilang buwan, pero since nag-Port Barton kami nung last vlog ko, I think that was last year, doon na siya namatay. Siguro na-drain, pero ngayon okay na siya. Siguro yung isa ko kasing case na ginamit ito kasi nasira yung original na ganito niya, yung ito lang, yung pantakip lang, pero ito buo pa, as in ito yung original talaga na ano niya na waterproof case. then ayun. Okay guys, so look at what we have here right now. Yan, yung mga damit ko. Nakikita nyo ba? Ay. And nalagay ko rin tong GoPro, pero ayun yung GoPro nandiyan.
Hintay na lang.
Ano yun? Smells like me? Okay.
Smells like you?
I don't know. Maybe. Charot! So pakita ko lang yung board shorts sa inyo. Pangligo ko mo. Kasi actually meron ako panligo. Sabi natin, ini-insist niya na ito yung suot ko. Ito, panahon pa ni kopong-kopong pero maganda naman. So, yeah. Okay, so downloading music for the road trip tomorrow. Check my completely charged the GoPro. Check. And also charge my phone. Check. I'm gonna bring the camera with me, which I'm very excited to use because I haven't used this in like forever. That's what I said earlier. I'm very excited. Hindi ako nakapag-cover kasi medyo tamad na. Hey guys, so ayan, nag-stop muna kami, bibili kami ng buko pie. Ayan. Si Dada kanina nakapakain ng kain, ang bilis mo magmaneho. Hihigil ako si Dada. Ang view, sige, halika. Tingin muna tayo ng view sa baba. Nakatulog ako. Tapos yung buhok ko guys, kasi nakatali dahil mahaba nga. Okay, so nakatentay sa tayo. Pasensya na yung buhok ko guys, ayun talaga yung buhok ko. Kanina pa to, labas na tuloy yung dandruff. Kasi nga mahaba nga. Hindi na siya magbaba. Mukha na akong vice ganda. Mukha ng libro. Yay! We're here now. Excited. Yan guys ang lechon. Ang sarap. Ang init guys, super. Hindi na ako pumasok ng mall. Yan ang mall nila, Happy Go. Dito sa Taytay. Namiss ko pumunta dito kasi, you know, araw-araw ka nakita ng dagat.
Kilaya yung kanina.
Don't really have to worry. Something.
Paalis na tayo, going on to Biton. Actually, paulan. Umuulan tapos tapos umulan ulit, and umaron naman. Hindi pa alam yung weather dito. Ito, masyadong nagsacycle siya guys.
O yan ang makina wala.
Okay guys, so on the way na kami sa... Ay, kalimutan ko pala. So, on the way na kami sa Biton. Lahat kami nag-ready na. And si Cal, oh, hi ka, hi Tita Jack. Hi Adi. Hi. Diba, eto si Cal yung makulit nung nakaraan. Napakita ko na to siya sa inyo, guys. Yung kanyang mommy, si Tita Junice.
Hello.
Okay, so we're on the way to Las Vegas. Las Vegas. Let's go sa Pierna.
Bluetooth mode.
Cal! Hoy, stop! Stop! Say hi! Hi! Are you excited?
Bluetooth
Dito siya. Ano ko yung... Bye! Okay, so nandito na tayo kay nanay. Nandito ako sa second floor ng first building sa baba. Ito ang Biton. So, ayan. Dito ako sa, let's go down. Wait lang, hindi ko mahawak ng ito na maayos.